Hey, this is Eric from Botisimo with another Botisimo bit for you. Today we're going to learn how to set up account editors. Account editors are handy if you need a second or third or fourth, etc. set of hands around to make or edit commands, polls, giveaways, and other various things. First things first, let's add one. You can add account editors by going to your profile section under Manage, and scroll down towards the bottom and enter the email address for the user you want as an account editor. And click Save. Now, if the user you're adding already has a Botisimo account, great! You're all done. If not, I'll walk you through the process, so you stop watching and pass it over to the account editor. I'll wait. Psst. You the account editor? Okay, cool. Let me show you what to do. So, first things first, you have to create an account. When creating an account, you'll be prompted to enter payment information. I'm going to tell you right now, you do not need a paid membership to be an editor. So, when prompted to enter payment information, just, enter it and I'll show you how to cancel it so you don't get charged. Okay, so now that we have our account created, next thing to do is to verify your email address. From the profile page, click this button and you'll be sent a verification email to your email address. Click the link in the email and refresh your Botisimo page. We should now be authorized as an account editor. Click here on the upper right-hand corner to access the drop-down menu and select the account you're authorized to edit for. Now you're free to edit and do what you gotta do. And to finish up, go back to your account, head to Membership, and select Cancel from the Change Membership drop-down menu and click Update so you won't get charged for a membership. Unless you want to do a membership, then hey, cool. I mean, you got a 14-day free trial, why not use it? If you're also a streamer, try out Botisimo on your own channel to see if it's for you. So yeah, that's how to add an account editor. Really helpful for when you want someone else at the helm so you can focus on streaming. If you have any questions, hit up our knowledge base or email us at support@botisimo.com. See you next time.